What's up, everybody? Coming to you live from the home today. I got a bit of a stuffiness and a cough that's been slightly irritating today. I woke up with it. I sound really weird, so I felt like I should just stay away. But I'm going to briefly go over kind of what we're doing today. We hung out with first, third, fifth, and seventh yesterday. I'm doing some review for our 9 weeks exam. We're going to do that today with fourth, sixth, and then second to end the day. And then I will see the rest of you guys second and third tomorrow for your quarter exam on Wednesday, fourth and fifth on Thursday, and sixth and seventh on Friday, which is the last day before break. So briefly, switching over to eCampus here to see what is going on. On Friday, week number 9. On Friday, we took our ecosystems quiz, and it was not great. It was definitely a challenge. Those questions are going to be high school level questions and what you need to think about moving forward on how our questions are going to be phrased. So they require you to think and understand why something is the case. So one of the things we're going to do today is look at that quiz and figure out what went wrong, so that if we see some sweet evolution questions on the quarter exam, we get them right. So here we go. Block exam days are here. You guys know this by now. 3 things we're going to look at today: evolution quiz corrections, 20 questions. Task 2 is to look at your ecosystem study guide, which is one that you did on paper and then took a picture of. But you can see those pictures again. And then you also have your matter and energy study guide that you guys did as well. So the ecosystems one, I'm sorry, is not a picture that you took. The matter and energy one is. But those are 2 study guides. You already did those, so you don't really need to do anything for those 2. You already took care of them. And then finally, task 3, review quizzes. There's 2 of them on here. One's more of an exam overview. One's looking a little bit more in depth at the EM spectrum. So evolution quiz corrections and 20 questions review. Here we go. Copy of the link is there as always. Part 1, we're going to look at our ecosystems quiz. Tell me for all the questions you missed. You're going to tell me what question number. You're going to tell me what your answer is. It randomly does A, B, C, or D, so you can put A or C there, but what would be better is to copy and paste what you put for your answer. Figure out what the correct answer is, and then tell me why that answer is the correct or why that's the best answer choice. Now, I don't really want yelling across the classroom like, yo, Steve, what'd you get for number 4? I see you got that one right, because that's not actually going through and looking at the questions again to figuring out what went wrong. So go through, analyze the questions again. You know one answer is not right because it's going to tell you, and then go from there to make sure you figure out what the right answer and what the question was actually asking you. That is part 1. Part 2 is 20 questions. There's 6 questions for matter and energy. I believe 7 questions for ecosystems and 7 questions for evolution. What I want for each one is a sentence. What I want for your reasoning is a sentence. Tell me why that's the best answer. So most people have finished this during the day today. I'm going to be logging in between naps and coughs to grade and make sure everything's caught up. So you should be good there. This is due tonight by 11:59 p.m. Yes, I know it's crazy to do it the same day. We don't typically have assignments due the same night, but what good is it to work on your review questions after you've already taken the test? It doesn't help us at all. So this is due tonight. Focus in class. You should have plenty of time to get it done. I had people done with half an hour plus yesterday to work on the quizzes and look over study guides. So it's definitely possible to get your 20 questions and your quiz corrections done during the class period. So that is the goal. I will hope to see everybody later this week. This needs to leave because I am tired of it. If you have any questions, please, please, please email me. I will try to get back to you today or tomorrow morning, but I'm in between naps and water breaks and coughs and all kinds of good stuff because I don't want to be here any longer than I need to because I want to be back there on campus with you guys. So that is a quick rundown of today. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions, and I will try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Have a great rest of the day. Test on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, depending on what class period you are in. And as always, stay legendary, my people, and I'll see you on the flippity flip. Bye, guys.